India's first B2B exhibition, and we're chatting up with Mr. Himanshu of Samansa Exhibitions. Congratulations and welcome to Planet Terms. So how's the industry evolving?
Well, the industry is growing very rapidly in India.
Okay.
The young population is driving the demand and growth for the show, for the industry. The beauty industry essentially was in a very nascent stage a couple of years back.
Okay.
Now the young population, today's millennials, they want the best of everything. They are ready to spend, they are ready to consume, and that is driving the growth behind this industry.
Right.
Overall, if you look even by the statistics, the industry size is expected to be around 70,000 plus crores.
70,000 plus crores. Okay.
And it's expected to go down to around 82,000 crores by 2018.
Okay.
In percentage terms, even if you look at it, it goes to around 7 to 8% growth.
Sure.
But if you go to segment-wise growth in salon space,
Right.
they are still growing at a rate of 25%.
Okay.
So it's like something like of a different industry if you want to compare like an automobile. While the industry growth rate is 10, 11% or 9%, but the sub-segments are growing wonderfully well by 23 to 25, 30% growth.
Okay.
Same is happening in beauty.
Okay.
The growth is percentage-wise in 7, 8%.
Right.
But sub-segment wise, some segments are overperforming other segments.
Okay.
Like salons
Yes.
itself.
Okay.
Salon industry is growing in India very rapidly.
Okay.
Because of the franchise opportunity,
Right.
people are becoming entrepreneurs.
Okay.
They learn the skill sets,
Yes.
and then they want to start their own business.
Okay.
This they can do it in their own vicinity. They don't need to do something extra, most
Okay.
of them.
Sure.
So even in your neighborhood,
Right.
if you look around, suddenly you see a lot of salons and spas opening up.
Okay.
That is because it requires some rentals to be paid, some trained manpower, and you're good to go to start your own business.
Absolutely.
This is one of the quick businesses that to get into and also get decent ROI out of it.
Okay. Sure. And of course, one of the perfect examples of the skill area.
Yeah, so basically Skill India is a very good initiative by the Honorable Prime Minister,
Right.
Mr. Narendra Modi.
Right.
It essentially wants to get people acquired with skills which will help them to be employed.
Right.
Beauty and wellness industry, if you look at it, itself employs a lot of people.
Sure.
And this skill is something that even for graduates, it's in your hands.
Right.
Like they say in Hindi, hunar.
Yes.
Hunar आपके हाथ में है,
Sure.
which you can help the right cut. You learn that
Yes.
cut, that makeup, that skin care, and slowly you can become the biggest or the largest individual in that category. So it's all skills of your own which will drive your growth.
Great. And how are the Indian brands performing in the international arena?
Well, the Indian brands are making their way. There are a lot of companies in India who only go abroad to participate in exhibitions. We don't even participate in the domestic market.
Okay.
Fortunately, we have two brands who are trusted, Samansa and Beauty India,
Right.
and they are participating with us in India. Otherwise, largely they only do international exhibitions.
Okay.
The product, India is known for quality.
Sure.
People, and it's cost effectiveness. Because when you convert it to dollar rate, to dirham rate, to pound rate, to euro rate, so we suddenly become competitive. So that way we have that advantage. And quality is something which is in our, ingredient to basic human Indian nature. So Indian businessmen, they ensure that quality is something that they cannot compromise with. So they have that advantage, they have that knowledge, and the price gives them the other advantage. So it's a win-win for us.
So how many brands are participating this time?
So around 77 companies are participating.
Okay.
And the way the kind of response which has come to us,
Right.
we see at least 2 or 3 times growth in our next edition.
Excellent. And when do we see an international show?
Well, honestly, our parent company, Samansa Exhibitions, is doing a modern women show in Dubai already.
Okay.
In the month of April, it will be having a second edition.
Okay.
So that also is a woman-centric show. It's not a pure beauty show. It's a woman-centric show.
Yes.
That embraces other segments as well.
Okay.
But at the moment, the vision is that we would like to do a second show in Bombay.
Okay.
We'll establish this show first in the second edition to a larger way. And once we cross that bridge, then we'll look out further.
So what are the kind of footfalls you're expecting this time?
Well, being the maiden edition, I would like to be very realistic on that.
Right.
We have promised that roughly around 8 to 10,000 quality visitors over 3 days is what we are expecting to do in this edition.
Great. And what's your philosophy of Samansa Exhibitions?
We believe in giving ROI to our exhibitors. We believe in delivering quality to our exhibitors.
Sure.
intention is that they should go back home happy.
Absolutely.
We should deliver more value to them.
Sure.
And that's the reason the kind of initiatives that we have done in the show, like we have done outdoors, we have done print, we have a brand ambassador in this
Absolutely, yes.
Those kind of initiatives nobody is doing in beauty space. So at the end of the day, it rubs off to our executive as well.
Sure.
So those are the things which are USPs of Samansa, and I'm sure we'll take it more strongly forward.
And how's your association with Lakme?
Well, Lakme has come on board as a studying partner.
Right.
Mr. Shinai is the chairman of our advisory committee.
Okay.
We had an advisory committee who was advising us on many things.
Sure.
And Mr. Tushar, being the CEO of Lakme, certainly has his own experience, vast experience in this field.
Okay.
And that gives us the advantage and the leverage to also understand the dynamics of this industry.
Okay.
And that's where his role was.
Excellent. All right. Thank you so much for chatting with us. Wonderful and all the very good.
Thanks.
Thank you.